the SPEC Mix D2W Workhorse Continuous Mixing System, the mobile mixing station that increases your efficiency by allowing you to mix where you work. The compact, lightweight design of the Workhorse makes it the go-to system for any residential or commercial project. Its mobility makes it ideal for job sites with space limitations, rough terrain, and sprawling projects that put your workforce on the move. And for high-rise construction, as the building goes vertical, the Workhorse easily moves floor to floor with your crew. Mortar, core fill grout, stucco, and concrete. The D2W Workhorse is engineered to thoroughly mix materials to meet specification with minimal setup and labor. It's the low-dust, zero-waste system that continuously produces a high-quality mix. Running on standard 120-volt power, simply plug the Workhorse into an outlet, connect it to a water source, or pump from a tank. Then flip the switch, dial in the desired water ratio, and start breaking 80-pound bags of SPEC mix into the hopper. The Workhorse will crank out over a yard of material in 1 hour. With the addition of a HEPA vacuum and the SPEC Mix D2W Workhorse dust collection system, nuisance dust is a problem of the past. When mixing in confined areas where dust is a problem, the SPEC Mix D2W Workhorse Dust Collection System is your perfect job site solution. Working indoor and outdoor, floor to floor, large projects or small, the D2W Workhorse is the system for high productivity and profitability. To learn more about the SPEC Mix D2W Workhorse or other SPEC Mix products and silo solutions, visit specmix.com.